Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our topic is textbook unit 4 book exercise. Let's begin. Let's begin. Use the following phrases in sentences of your own. Students, you will make the sentences in which you will use the following phrases. What is phrases? Phrase is the part of sentence without using in the sentence. It cannot give the exact meaning or the sense. I have made the sentences. You will write these sentences in your practice copy or rough copy. Let's start to read it. By virtue of, he completed his research work by virtue of internet. By far, this car by far is most comfortable of all. Global village, because of internet the world has become a global village. Brilliant gift, computer is a modern gift of modern science. Storehouse, Junaid is a storehouse of knowledge and wisdom. Every walk of life, people from every walk of life came to the exhibition around the globe. Through internet we can communicate around the globe. Carry out, I carry out your orders. Useful application, the most useful application of computer is in the education field. Open doors, his hard work opened doors of success on him. This is letter of. His hard work opened doors of success on him. You will write these sentences in your notebook. Find the meaning of the following words from the dictionary and identify the part of speech of the word through abbreviation used. Also find guide words and entry words for the following. You know about guide words and entry words. You will find out the meanings for these words. From the dictionary, information is noun, harmful is adjective, encounter is verb, website, payment and laptop are noun. Use internet to find what the following abbreviations stand for. Students, I have written the words with pencil, but I have written these words on another page. It will be easy for you to read. But do not write these abbreviation or names in your neat copy or notebook. USB, universal serial bus, DVD, digital video disc, CD, compact disc, TV, television, ATM, automatic teller machine, CPU, central processing unit. Writing. After effective brainstorming, complete the mind map below and write a unified paragraph on computer using specific words, vivid verbs, modifiers, etc. Use appropriate supporting details and transitional devices. You know about the specific words, vivid verbs, modifiers and transitional devices. You will write a unified paragraph in your practice copy as an activity. This is your oral activity, listening and speaking, conversation on the telephone. Work in pairs and develop a dialogue to demonstrate appropriate expressions and etiquettes for a telephonic conversation. Grammar, subject and object pronoun. Students, you know about a pronoun. That pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. You have also known about the personal pronouns, that the personal pronouns stand for the names of persons. Subjective pronouns are used at the beginning of the sentence, while objective pronouns are not used at the beginning of the sentences. You know about the first, second and third person pronouns in subjective case and objective case. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate subject or object pronoun. I met you at the party, but you didn't recognize me. You and me is object pronoun, while you is subject pronoun. I think I have seen you before. You is object pronoun. You shouldn't have done this to me. Me is object pronoun. Where could they have gone at this hour of the night? They is subject pronoun. He took her, her. He took her with it. This is word it. Her and it are object pronoun. All of us arrived on time. Us is object pronoun. Possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Students, noted that possessive pronouns talk about things belonging to people or animals. Possessive pronouns are the words like mine, your, his, her, ours, their, theirs, etc. They do not spell with apostrophe. We do not use apostrophe in these words. Fill in the blanks with appropriate possessive pronoun. Number 1. Maria has already eaten her lunch, but I am saving mine until later. My computer is a MSc, but hers is a BC. HERS. We gave them our telephone number and they gave us theirs. My pencil is broken. Can I borrow yours? Our car is cheap, but theirs is expensive. You can't have any chocolate. It's all mine. Reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronouns are words like himself, herself, itself, myself, themselves, yourself, yourselves, and ourself. Fill in the blanks with appropriate reflexive pronoun. Students, keep in mind that possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun are the types of pronoun. Rashid made this t-shirt himself because Rashid is used in the beginning of the sentence. That's why we use himself. Lubna did the homework herself. 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 We helped ourselves to some cola at the party. Samina, did you take the photo by yourself? I wrote this poem myself. He cut himself with the knife while he was doing the dishes. Emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are the type of pronoun. An emphatic pronoun refers back to the another noun or pronoun in the sentences. In the sentence to emphasize it. When reflexive pronouns are used for emphasize, they are called emphatic pronoun. When reflexive pronouns are used for emphasize, they are called emphatic pronouns. For example, Asma will do it herself. The emphatic pronoun herself emphasizes that Asma will do it. Asma is the noun being emphasized. Similarly, Scouts cook these cakes themselves. The emphatic pronoun themselves emphasize that the Scouts cook the cakes. Relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun relate back to something or someone. Join two sentences. I will repeat again. What is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun relate back to something or someone. Relative pronouns join two sentences about persons or things. Fill in the blanks with relative pronouns who, which, or that. Mr. Asim, who is a taxi driver, lives on the corner. We often visit our aunt in Charsada, which is in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. That's Adnan, the boy, who has just arrived at the airport. WHO. Thank you very much for your email. That was very interesting. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. What is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun does not refer to any person, amount, or thing in particular. I repeat again. Indefinite pronoun does not refer to any person, amount, or thing in particular. Fill in the blanks with indefinite pronouns. These are the examples of indefinite pronoun like something, any, anything, anybody, anywhere, nothing, etc. Fill in the blanks with indefinite pronouns some, any, no, every. Number 1. Would you like something to eat? Something, कुछ भी. कुछ है. It was really dark and I couldn't see anything. Anything? कोई चीज़. Does anybody live in that house? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where we go. We can go anywhere. Anywhere हर जगह. We want to. This is boring. There is nothing to do. Pronoun. Antecedent agreement. Antecedent, a noun or a word that pronoun refer to. Fill in the blanks that agrees with its antecedent in the sentences below. A person needs to see his dentist twice a year. The committee members put their signatures on the documents. If any one of the sisters needs a ride, she can call me. Students, about antecedent pronoun. I have explained antecedent pronoun in my previous lecture while we were reading textbook unit 2. In the exercise of textbook unit 2, you have read it about the antecedent pronoun. Each of these companies had their books audited. Some of the crockery has lost its shine. Question words. Make questions for the following sentences using question words. What is question words? Interrogative pronouns are question words. They are the words used to ask questions. For example, who, why, how, what, when. What is? What हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में पूछते हैं. That what is this? Let's suppose what is this? ये क्या है? Why? Reason? For reason? How? कैसे? What? क्या? Who? कौन? When? कब? When? We use for ask about the timings. Bashir designed this house. Who designed this house? The weather is fine. How is the weather? She walks home from school because she does not have transport facilities. Why does she walk home from school? The children are solving the sum. What are the children doing? Palvasha runs with her dog on Sundays. When does Palvasha run with her dog? This is your activity. Exercise A, B on page 39 and page 40 is homework. Write these word sentences in your notebook. Stay safe at home. God bless you.